1, go! Kristen's out in front. Ooh, so tight. Jason's right behind him. Awesome flying. There's the pass. Jason's in the lead. Kristen's down. Can they catch him? Push it, guys. Here he comes. Chase takes first. Adrian in second. Chris Fisher in third. Christian Avedon in fourth. Awesome racing, guys. Oh man! Let me help.
Get the knee tag. Oh man. It's gonna be a minute.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's not happened to me before.
Hold on, let me get out the tool.
Are you gonna cut it?
I'm sorry, Krista.
It was bound to happen at some point.
Do we
Right?
need to get some detangler?
Like officially initiated now or something.
Yeah.
You need a tiny whoop hairnet.
Alright, there's 3 props still in your hair for my shoe.